also logical to say that can God, the divine nature, also enter death? Can God, the divine nature, also enter death?
Ganito, when we say someone died, it is not attributed to nature, but to the person. For instance, we say, Jose Rizal died. We do not say the human nature of Jose Rizal died. That's wrong. That's illogical. When we say Abraham Lincoln died, or John F. Kennedy died, Ninoy Aquino died, Ramon Magsaysay died, we do not say the human nature of Ramon Magsaysay died. So it is wrong to say that the divine nature died, the human nature died. That is both wrong. Because death is always attributed to the person. That's why in our Holy Mass, we proclaim Christ has died. We do not say the divine nature died, the human nature died. Death must not be attributed to nature, but to the person. Christ has died. The Lord has died. And so the Lord is risen. Jesus died on the cross. It's always the person. Okay. Now, the person of Jesus is only one. It's a divine person. So when we say Jesus died, Christ has died, it means Jesus, our God, has died for us. It became possible even if He is God because He assumed a human nature. Nagtataglay kasi siya ng human nature. Ang i-refer natin sa nature ay ang principle of operation, yung action. But yung attribution ng kamatayan at pagsilang at saka ng the ownership ng action always refer to the person. Because it is the person who is the doer of the action, not the nature.
Thank you, Father.